Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you want to sell products online, showcase services, or build a simple store, creating product pages in GoDaddy Websites Builder is straightforward. In 2026, once you understand how GoDaddy handles products versus pages, most confusion comes from thinking products pages are edited like normal pages, forgetting to publish, or not adding products correctly. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to create product pages in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. First thing, make sure you have a commerce plan. So products pages require commerce features, so you need online store or commerce plan, or websites plus marketing premium with selling enabled. So if you don't see products or store, upgrade first. Okay, so now log into your GoDaddy. Okay, go to website plus marketing, so tap website, click edit website, this one. So after you click this or tap this option, you will have a page like this. Okay, so here click commerce or store, click products. As I said, you have to upgrade your account first, because I don't think you will see these options without upgrading your account. So this is where all product pages are created and managed. Okay, so create a new product. Okay, so in product, click add product, choose product type like physical product, digital product, service, fill in product name, price, description, product images, and then save. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.